this is Pastor Weningi and ngifuna ukukhuluma ngento encane le yokuvolunteer eyenzeka kakhulu kuma radio omphakathi community radio stations. Abantwana bakithi baya volunteer kula ma radio omphakathi kuthiwa ba volunteer basebenze mahala bangaholi kuthiwa ile I radio yomphakathi akunamali. Kodwa I wonder why lokhu kuthola into ayinamali because kunama advert abakhona. Every day kuna advert adlalayo. Kunama public announcement. Kunama special shows abakhona ukuthi awahulumeni. And MDTA iyawafanda ama radio stations la umphakathi. Why kwathiwa abantwana bakithi aba volunteer? If ama radio station la umphakathi awanamali awavalo instead of ukuthi ku exploit ingane zakithi ku use ingane zakithi in the name of volunteering voluntarism. Yabo uhulumeni must intervene in this matter. Even I urge the Department of Communication in South Africa ukuthi must intervene. The political parties must intervene because akukwazi ukuthi ngaba khona institution nje khona ebhize use abantu in the name of voluntarism ukuthi abantu aba volunteer but imali ikhona ukuthi bangaholela abantu labo. They must get paid. They must get paid. That's what I'm urging. Yeah, sure.